Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix this touchscreen not working problem in your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So firstly you have to restart your device by clicking on power button and just simply restart your device. So to fix it, and then you have to just go to the settings, and then you have to scroll down, click on applications. Here it is manage apps, click on three dots, other settings. So here it is reset app preferences. So by clicking on here it will reset the disabled apps, disabled app notification, default apps and background data restriction. By doing this reset you will not lose any of your data. Just click on it and simply press back. Now if it is not solving, you have to do a soft reset. So I will tell you how you can. So simply first you have to open your settings, click on search, and here you have to write reset. So here it will show the factory reset. By doing this will erase all your data. So make sure you have backup all the data of your smartphone. So it will erase contacts, photos and videos, applications, SD card data, Google account, everything. So backup all of these and then do erase all data. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.